This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I picked this up on Friday, and surprisingly there was no line when I went, because when I went to pick up the 13 Pro Max last year, there was a long ass line and I had to wait over an hour. But let's get into it. I'm really excited for this phone, mainly the minor upgrades to the camera, but most importantly the dynamic island. I just love how they made the punch hole pill, or whatever you would classify it, but I love how they made it a feature on how you can interact with it. But honestly, I wouldn't expect anything less from Apple. In the box, you still get a Lightning to USB-C cable. Hopefully they will change that up for next year. And you get a packet with a sticker and a card letting you know that SIM cards are now a thing of the past. Woo! Look how nice that looks. I just love how Apple builds their phones. Like, when you're using it, you know you're using a premium product, and they somehow made it feel like it's an accessory or like a jewelry more than a phone. Here I wish they went with a matte finish similar to the back, because I'm already getting fingerprints on the sides. But honestly, it's the same phone as the 13 Pro Max and maybe even the 12 Pro Max with its design. As you can see, they have the same height and the same width. The only physical difference I notice is that the cameras on the 14 Pro Max are a little bit larger. But let me go ahead and power this up and quickly set this up. I love with the update that they made the search bar right where your thumb will be. So it's like a little easier to search for your apps and whatnot. And here's a quick look at the always on display. And it basically just dims the screen and shows you your actual wallpaper and your notifications. I do like this, but I only occasionally use always on displays, so I might be switching this one off. But that was just a quick unboxing. I have some cases and some chargers coming in, and it should be here soon, so stay on the lookout for those. And if y'all want to see some comparisons, some features, cameras, and whatnot, let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next one.